Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. We're doing a hair video. I haven't done a hair video in a while. I want to do like maybe 10 to 15 hairstyles that you can just do super easy, super quick for everyday hair or for summer. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm doing a sleek, slick back, low pony. These just look very classy and they're so simple as you can see. And you can also like pull out some bangs to make it pretty cute. And then here I am also pulling out some of my hair to give it some volume and just making it a little more poofy. I do a lot of low ponies. They're just so easy and they just look so cute. Next, I'm just taking a comb and like really slicking back my hair and again putting it into a low pony. A lot of these hairstyles that I'm showing you, you can go one right to the other, so that's really nice. So now I'm just making it really slick back with my hands, and then I'm taking a little piece from the bottom of my ponytail and wrapping it around the ponytail so you can hide the ponytail, and then securing that little piece of hair with a bobby pin. And then again, you can either wear this slick back or you can take it into a more volumized low pony, which I love both. I just think they're so cute. I love my low ponies. So here I am just pulling out some little pieces right in front of my ear just to make it a little more casual. And yeah. Should have hidden my bobby pin better, but that's okay. Next, taking out my hair and again going into a low pony, but this time I'm twirling my hair and making it a bun and then wrapping around the ponytail to secure it. You can make it slicked back and sleek like this. Or again, pull out some hair and make it volumized. You can use texture spray or hairspray, whatever helps hold your volume. And again, just pulling out my front pieces to make it more casual. Or you can pull out front pieces and then hide your ear pieces and just make it a little bit more fun. Either way is really cute. Next, taking out my bun, and now I'm taking my comb and I'm gonna do like a little mohawk in my hair, taking the front top section and tying that off with a little rubber band. Next, I'm just tightening the rubber band, then taking a comb and back combing it to give it some extra volume. And then again, just pulling my hair apart to make that band tighter and just to fix it to where I want it to be. Then I'm pulling some of my front pieces to give that more volume. Again, just going back and forth until I get it how I want it. And then from here, I'm taking the ponytail and I'm doing a little half top knot bun and securing it with a bobby pin. And then just kind of pulling and securing any place that I feel needs secured with more bobby pins. And I'm taking some hairspray and I'm hairspraying the front of my hair just to get all those baby hairs down, and taking a comb and back combing at the part to give us some added volume and just to give us a lifted look. And then I'm combing that top layer out so that you can't see that I just back combed. And then I curled my hair before this video, but it obviously didn't hold. So here I'm just going back in real fast and re-curling my hair. Not that it holds again, but you get the picture. And then here is a little mohawk top knot bun. Next, taking that out and moving into our next hairstyle, taking out the bun and the ponytail, and now I'm actually going to do like a kind of a half pony again, just adding more hair. This is probably one of my most worn hairstyles. I just love this. I think it's so cute and so easy, and I just feel like it's like a little party pony. Like, it's so easy, but it can just be so freaking cute. Again, just pulling at my ponytail to really add some volume and to secure it in place, and then just playing with it and messing around until I get it how I want it. Next, from here, I'm going to do another just top knot bun, just again with the more hair. And I'm securing it with a hair tie here, and then going in and adding some bobby pins just for that extra security. And then I'm pulling out my hair just to give it a little more volume and fullness, and then taking a comb and back combing the sides again as well to add more volume. Next, taking out the top knot and taking out the ponytail, and taking my comb and I'm doing a half up, going from my ear to ear and putting that in a ponytail. And this is going to be like a slicked back ponytail, so I'm trying to make everything look very slicked back and using hairspray to do that. I used to do this hairstyle all the time, but I just never do it anymore, but I still really love it. I need to incorporate it back into my hair routine. And then just back combing my ponytail and making it fluffy. You can either leave it like this, make it more like casual, or you can take a piece from under your ponytail and wrap it around your ponytail holder to hide it, and it really like dresses it up and makes it look very, very chic and just elegant. I think I love this hairstyle and I need to do it more often, honestly. I think I got wore out of it because this is the only hairstyle I used to do, so I just took a break and I need to get back to it. I love it. Keeping that everything the same, I'm just gonna take my ponytail and actually braid it. I'm just doing a regular braid and then I'm tying it off with a little rubber band. You could literally leave it like this. I think it would be so cute. But here I'm pulling it apart, making it more full of a braid. You can leave it just down with the braid, which would be really cute, but I'm taking it into a little braided top knot. I don't know if I've ever worn my hair like this before, but I feel like it's really cute. So I wanted to incorporate that. Next, taking out the braid, and I'm going to take that piece that we wrapped around my ponytail down, but I'm going to leave the half pony, and I'm going to actually take the rest of my hair and use a brush to brush it into a full ponytail. Leaving that half pony just helps give your ponytail more security, and it also helps keep it more like volumized. So I really like doing this, and then I'm taking hairspray and making sure everything is slicked back and very sleek. Again, taking a piece from the bottom of my ponytail and wrapping it around the ponytail holder to give it that chic, elegant vibe, and securing that with a bobby pin, and then going in and hairspraying my ponytail to actually give it volume. And you can wear it behind your shoulders, or you can pull your hair in front of your shoulders as well. Next, from here, I'm just taking that ponytail and I'm wrapping it around, making it into a top knot bun and securing it with a bobby pin, and then going in and making sure that the back of my hair is really slicked back. I love this style. Again, this is another one I haven't worn in a while that I used to be obsessed with. Next, I'm just taking that ponytail down and I'm doing the same thing, wrapping it around again, but I'm using a different ponytail holder, and this is gonna be just more of a messy bun. So I'm kind of messing it up and then taking little sections and securing them with bobby pins, and then I kind of pull at it to give it more volume, and then I'm taking a piece down in front of my ears just to give it more casual, messy vibe, and this is so cute. Next, taking out all those bobby pins and leaving the hair wrapped around my ponytail, I'm just taking the rest of my ponytail and doing again another just regular braid and securing it with a little rubber band, and then pulling apart the braid to give it more volume. And I love this. I wear my hair like this to work out a lot, and it just reminds me of volleyball. I don't know why I see volleyball girls wear their hair like this, but I just absolutely love this style. So next, taking out the braid and taking it down the piece around our ponytail and taking out our whole hair actually and splitting it down the middle, and I'm gonna comb my hair out and we're gonna do some Dutch braids. If you guys don't know how to Dutch braid, I did do a tutorial a year ago. I'll link it right here, but here I'm just doing a Dutch braid. I love braids. I love braiding my hair. This is one of my most commonly wore hairstyles as well. I just think they're so fun and so cute, and they honestly just get the hair out of your face, and they're so easy and really, really fun for summer and the lake, and just all around so cute. I love them so much. And these are kind of messy braids. Next, I'm taking out the end pieces and I'm securing with a clip the place where my hair meets at the back of my neck, and I'm going to take out the bottom half of the braid and then secure it with a small rubber band and really fluff it up, add a little volume. I've actually been wearing my hair around like this the past 2 days, and I just am so obsessed with it. I think it's so cute and fun. Just a summer vibe, I feel like. Next, you can tease the ponytail and then wrap it around and make little messy buns. So you have some Dutch braid messy buns going on. Next, taking out the messy buns, and then I'm going to take the two ponytails and I'm going to put them together with one big ponytail and then really fluff that up and just make it really volumized and looking cute. Then I'm going to take some hair out in front of my ears again. As you can see, I really like doing this. I just feel like it makes the look. And then I'm going to take the ponytail and wrap it around and make it into like little messy bun and secure it with another ponytail. And yeah, those are all my hairstyles. So that is it. Those are all my hairstyles. All of them were super easy, super quick, and obviously the one that took the most time was doing the Dutch braids, but that literally only took like 5-ish minutes. These are all perfect for summer and when you're in a rush, need to get out the door, and you need to look presentable but cute. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show some love. It really does help support me and my channel with the YouTube algorithm, and I appreciate all of you. Comment down below which one was your favorite, or if you guys would wear any of these, or what do you think about them. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! Thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile.
I'm digging this vibe. I freaking burned my hand so many times doing this video. Like I have burns